How to enable cookies in your browser on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn on cookies in Chrome so websites work properly. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Third-Party Cookies. In the next step, go ahead and tap on Allow Third-Party Cookies. Once done, go back and refresh any website you were having trouble with. It should now load and function properly with cookies enabled. Here's an important note. Enabling cookies allows websites to remember your login details and preferences. If you're concerned about privacy, you can always go back and enable only essential cookies instead of allowing all of them. Finally, if a website is still not working properly after enabling cookies, try clearing your browser cache. Go back to Chrome settings, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Clear Browsing Data, and tap Clear Data. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable cookies in your browser, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.